Hello world travelers, reward enthusiasts, and credit score builders. In this channel, I cover all types of credit cards. I will give you an overview of the card, the pros and cons, and my take on the card. If you have a credit card that you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comments below. In today's video, I'll be going over the Capital One Venture Rewards credit card. If you're looking for a credit card with simple ways to earn rewards and plenty of ways to redeem them, look no further than the Capital One Venture Rewards card. Cardholders can transfer points to 15+ transfer partners and use miles to pay for travel purchases made within the last 90 days. Even though this is a fixed-rate card, it is still one of the most valuable in terms of miles. The Capital One Venture Rewards credit card is constantly innovating to attract new customers while rewarding existing ones. A larger sign-up bonus makes the card even more appealing to new cardholders. Once approved, this card is a keeper due to its low annual fee and solid return on everyday spending. With airline miles, hotel points, and award charts to keep track of, not to mention credit card programs that allow you to transfer your rewards to various partners, the world of award travel is incredibly complex. However, earning and using credit card rewards should not be difficult. The Capital One Venture Rewards credit card is an excellent antidote to the complexities of travel rewards, providing both simple earning and redemption options for newcomers and high-value transfer options for seasoned point and mile collectors. The annual fee for the Capital One Venture Rewards card is $95, which is much lower than most competitors. Despite having a fixed rate of earning, this card's miles are more valuable than most. You can be sure that every card has its pros and cons. Let's dive into the pros and cons of the Capital One Venture credit card. Pros: 1. High reward rate. 2. Statement credit for global entry or TSA PreCheck. 3. There are no foreign transaction fees. 4. Additional travel advantages include car rental collision damage waivers. 5. Miles are simple to redeem, either through partner transfers or by applying them to travel purchases. Cons: 1. Expensive annual fee. 2. The flexibility of rewards is limited. 3. Good excellent credit is required. 4. On purchases or transfers, there is no introductory appeal. We've heard about the pros and cons. Now let me introduce you to how you can earn rewards and tell you my thoughts on the card. The Capital One Venture card earns 5 miles per dollar spent on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel and an unlimited 2 miles per dollar spent on other purchases, putting it near the top of the flat-rate reward card rankings. Rewards never expire and are kept on your balance for the duration of your account. Aside from the welcome bonus, it has no categories or other earning benefits. The card comes with a welcome bonus of 75,000 miles after spending $4,000 on purchases within 3 months of account opening, which is equivalent to $750 in travel. Earned miles can be redeemed for cash, gift cards, or account credit. They appear in the form of a statement credit to your account's rewards balance. Miles can be redeemed for purchases on PayPal.com or Amazon.com, but these will generally not earn the best value. Miles redemptions for purchases on these sites typically earn only 0.8 cents per dollar, more than the 1 cent per dollar value for eligible travel redemptions. The ability to transfer miles to travel partners is a great feature of Capital One Miles. Although these redemptions may necessitate more effort than redeeming points for previous travel, transferring miles to travel partners may provide the best value per point. Capital One has a number of travel partners to which you can transfer points, though nearly all of them are small international airlines. Aeromexico, Air France Avianca Life Miles, Emirates Skywards, Etihad Airways, Eva Air, Finnair, Qantas, Singapore Airlines, and others are currently among the partners. Each transfer has a different value for different travel partners. Most travel partners have a transfer ratio of 1 to 1, but some have a transfer ratio of 2 to 1 or 2 to 1.5. The Capital One Venture Rewards credit card includes 2 complimentary visits to Capital One Lounge locations or a partnering Plaza Premium Lounge per year. Following that, cardholders are entitled to a special entry rate of $45 per visit. Overall, I'd rate the rewards as 8 out of 10. The benefits are 8 out of 10. The annual fee is 7 out of 10. The customer experience I would rate as 9 out of 10. This card isn't for everyone, but it is for those who want a brand-agnostic travel card with rewards that are easy to understand and tally. The Capital One Venture is best for those who prefer to spend their rewards on travel rather than other purchases. Travel expenses of any kind can be reimbursed, or in Capital One's jargon, erased from your card balance, using miles that can be redeemed for 1 cent each. Other options for redeeming this card's miles, such as receiving cash or transferring them to other programs, are less profitable with this card than with others. If the market didn't have a plethora of 2% cash back cards, the Venture card would be the go-to all-around card for travelers, something I'd frequently recommend pairing with a card that earns even more in certain categories. Its 2 miles per dollar spent is fantastic, but its redemption restrictions are less appealing if you don't travel. The travel benefits are beneficial, but the lack of a low introductory APR makes it unsuitable for balance transfers or financing large purchases. This wraps up my review of the Capital One Venture Rewards credit card. Thank you for watching, and let me know what you think of it. These videos take a long time to make and are a labor of love. If you would like to see my channel grow, please help spread the word. And until next time, remember, credit cards are fun when played strategically.